Don't cook potatoes before you see this recipe. Now I just want to do it like this. In a pan, add 3 sliced potatoes and add water until covered. And leave cooking. When they are cooked, just turn off the fire and drain all the water. Pass the potatoes into a container and start kneading everything very well. Once that's done, add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and mix all up. It's going to look like this. Now add 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and now mix again. It's going to stay that way. Now just add in a frying pan with a little oil and add 1 tablespoon of the potato dough. Wait until it starts to brown on one side, and when golden brown, just turn to the other. Here already golden on both sides. Now I will remove and leave it dripping all the oil on a paper towel. And look how amazing this recipe is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.